Hey guys, we are going to learn on how to remove community standards problem in Messenger. And in order for us to do that, we're going to launch our Messenger application and we're going to tap on a chat that we want or we have been removed due to the community guidelines. Let's say it was this one that we have been removed. All we have to do is to shake our device to report a problem, or we can go here, the three lines, tap on settings, then scroll here to the bottom, then tap on report a problem or report anyway. Then decide change our report, then you can actually choose on what's problem, or choose the options that they have provided us on which the problem is related to. Let's see on charts called send others, then we can tap on send, and we are going to wait for like about 5 days for them to reach out to us. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.